Good day, everyone. I'll be teaching you Physics 101 again. This is making it the third time I'm teaching you this topic, vector. First one, we learned vectors and scalar. Second one, we learned how to resolve vectors. Now we're learning how to multiply vectors. You can see on the board, there are types of vector. There are two types of vector multiplications. The first one is dot multiplication, or is also called scalar multiplication. Sorry, and the other one is called vector multiplication, is also called cross multiplication. Cross multiplication or vector multiplication. So we'll be solving some things over here now. And when we're solving, you'll be able to understand how these two things work. But for today, I'll only be teaching you this one. Dot or scalar. And look at it here. Look at the sign. Dot. This is dot. A dot B. Let's read the question now. Given that vector A is equals to minus I, this is minus I if you're not seeing, this is minus I, plus 2j minus 3k, and vector B is equals to 3I plus 4j minus 2k, find I, the magnitude of what? A. Solution. When you hear magnitude, you're like, oh, Jesus, I don't know what to do. But it's actually a very simple question. To find the magnitude of A, they're trying to confuse you with English. It's just to find the modulus of A. Now, when I mean modulus of A, what I'll do now? The first step was for me to draw my square root. Second step, now look at the vectors of A. Now write them out so that you can see them boldly. A is equals to minus I plus 2j minus 2k. Look at them very well. What number? What's quotient of I here? Quotient of I here is minus 1. There's an invisible 1 here, which is minus 1. So you come over here, you write minus 1 all square plus, what's quotient of your j here? 2. You come over here, you write 2 square plus, what's quotient of your k here? Minus 2. So you come over here and write minus 2 square. I hope you're following me. So you write equals to minus 1 square, is equal to minus 1 times minus 1, which is equals to what? 1. 2 square is what? 4. Minus 2 square times minus 2, minus cancel minus, which is still what? 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the square root of 9 is what? 3. So now I've solved this. Let's go to the second question. Magnitude of B. The same method. II. Magnitude of B. So you draw your square root sign. Don't mind me. Draw your square root sign. Where's B? This vector B. You come and pick over here 3 square plus J. What is the quotient? 4. 4 square. Yeah, minus 2 square. So we have equals to 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 square, 4 times 4, 16. 2 square is 4. If you're following me. So we have this plus this is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So this is the answer. So 29. Next question. The unit vector of what? A. Now I'll give you a hint on how to find that unit vector. How do you find the unit vector of a vector? English, how do you find the unit vector of a vector? And let me show you something. Unit vector is vector A all over modulus of A. This is the unit vector. This sign for the unit vector. Vector A, that means F, this is vector A all over the modulus of A. So I will write the vector A minus I plus 2j minus 2k. Oh, what's the modulus of A? Modulus of A is here what? It's 3.